Before buying a car upholstery cleaning machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Bissell Little Green Mini. The Bissell Little Green Mini caught my eye right away with its compact design and a price tag of $86.65. This isn't just any cleaner, it's a portable powerhouse designed to tackle those annoying spills and stains in your car. If you want a straightforward, effective solution for cleaning, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 16-ounce capacity, it's perfect for quick cleanups without the need to drag out bulky equipment. The Hydrorin self-cleaning tool is a lifesaver, making it easy to maintain after use. Plus, it can handle everything from pet dander to pollen, which is great if you have allergies. With over 8,300 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, this little machine is definitely making waves. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it might not be powerful enough for larger messes. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for something to deal with everyday spills, this isn't a deal breaker at all. It's compact and easy to store, which is a big plus. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller space or just want to tackle quick messes. Skip this one if you're dealing with heavy-duty stains or need something for larger jobs. For the price, it gives you great value for a portable cleaner. Now, if the size of the Bissell Little Green Mini bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose. Next up is the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner, priced at $129.99. This one really stood out because it's America's one brand in portable deep cleaning. If you want a comprehensive cleaning experience, this is definitely worth your attention. The 48-ounce clean water tank means you can clean more without constant refilling, which is huge when you're in the middle of a mess. With over 93,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that users are satisfied with its performance. Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit heavy when full. But honestly, I think that's a small trade-off for the amount of cleaning power you get. If you're serious about keeping your car spotless, the weight won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have kids or pets and are dealing with frequent spills. Skip this one if you're just looking for something lightweight to occasionally clean up small messes. The value for money here is undeniable, considering the brand reputation and performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3, Rivanara Portable Carpet Cleaner. Now let's talk about the Rivanara Portable Carpet Cleaner, which is priced at just $49.99. This caught my attention because it offers powerful cleaning without breaking the bank. If you're looking for budget-friendly cleaning that still gets the job done, you'll want to hear this. This lightweight cleaner combines spray, brush, and suction, making it effective for various surfaces like carpets and car interiors. It's equipped with a 1.2-meter hose and a 5-meter power cord, allowing you to reach tight spots easily. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 577 reviews, users appreciate its effectiveness for quick cleanups. However, some users noted that the suction power isn't as strong as pricier models. But here's the thing, for the price, you're getting a compact and portable option that can handle basic spills and dirt without a fuss. It's a great starter machine or a handy tool for quick jobs. This is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and affordable for occasional cleaning. Skip this one if you're dealing with persistent stains or need heavy-duty cleaning. The value is excellent for what you get. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more punch, wait until you hear about this next product. Product number 4, Dirt Devil Spot Cleaner. Coming in at $59.99, the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner is next. I was impressed by its powerful suction capability, which promises to lift deep-set dirt and stains quickly. If you need something that tackles tough messes without a hassle, this might be the answer. The Dirt Devil is designed to handle everything from pet accidents to muddy paw prints. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and the 19 Oz tank allows for ample cleaning without constant stops. It has a solid 4.4-star rating from over 5,300 reviews, indicating it's a reliable choice for many. But I'll be real with you, some users found the hose to be a bit short for larger areas. However, it's not a deal breaker if you're mainly focused on cleaning tight spots like car seats or stairs. The power and effectiveness really shine in those scenarios. This is perfect for you if you want quick and efficient cleaning for smaller messes. Skip this one if you have larger areas to cover regularly. For its price, it's a strong contender. Now, if you need something specifically designed for pet owners, the next option is a must-see. Product number 5, Bissell Little Green Max Pet. Finally, we have the Bissell Little Green Max Pet priced at $117.78. This one really stands out with its Smart Mix technology, which automatically mixes the formula and water for optimal cleaning each time. If you're a pet owner, this is definitely worth a closer look. The self-cleaning tough stain tool makes maintenance a breeze, and the dual tank technology keeps clean and dirty water separate. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews, it's clear that this product is making waves among pet owners. However, some users mention the 8-ounce capacity might feel limiting for larger messes. But honestly, if you're focused on pet stains, the cleaning power and effectiveness make it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need something reliable for regular cleaning. Skip this one if you want a larger capacity for extensive cleaning tasks. For pet owners, it's a great value for what you get. To wrap it up, we've seen a range of options that cater to different needs and budgets. The Bissell Little Green Mini is perfect for quick cleanups, while the multi-purpose model offers deeper cleaning. The Rivanara provides budget-friendly options, and the Dirt Devil is great for those tough messes. Finally, the Bissell Little Green Max is a must for pet owners. Whatever your cleaning needs, there's a product here that's perfect for you.